Hello, I'm George.
And I'm Juliet.
And today we are going to make a dairy-free freak shake.
Yes, indeed. I'm looking forward to this.
It's going to be freaky.
Alrighty, so we'll talk about all the ingredients that's going into our dairy-free. We will. Freak shake. So we're doing a cookies and cream one with some dairy-free biscuits, just because
popular choice of dairy-free biscuits.
In our house, we love them. You could do this with any type of dairy-free biscuit you wanted. We're going to do cookies and cream. We're going to go wild. We've got some malt extract, because I like a bit of a malty taste to my milkshakes.
Oh, yeah.
This is not a milkshake, of course, but yeah, I probably wouldn't.
Oh,
okay.
right, slight issue.
Yeah. We've got some oat milk. We've got some chocolate. We have got some ice cream in the freezer, so I'll grab that.
Go for it.
So we've got our ice cream.
Wow, that's a lot of ice cream.
It is, but we're going to make enough for two. And they are freak shakes. I mean, you wouldn't be having these every day, would you?
No, I mean, it's a treat, isn't it?
It is a treat.
You can have this right after your vegan fast food.
You can. I'll pop the ice cream in first, use fingers.
Cool.
It's going to be easiest for me to do it like this. Actually, do you want to add the milk now?
Shall we?
Yeah, pop the milk in.
Cool. So is that, tell me when?
Just all of it.
All of it?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
We're making some big ones.
This is going to be big.
Just pop those biscuits inside
Crumbled
here as well.
up or just
you can
dumped straight in?
I usually break them in half, but...
Oh, do you?
Yeah, you can do.
Okay.
I think they'll get smashed up anyway.
I'm going to go against your tip on this one and just chuck them in.
And then we'll put our malt extract in. Look at that. So we've got everything in there. We've got our dairy-free ice cream.
We've got our biscuits, got our oat milk, got the malt in. So should we give it a whiz up?
Yeah, let's do it.
Right.
Okay. Look at that, George.
Yeah.
You can see all the biscuits all crushed up inside there. Obviously, with a freak shake, it's about the presentation. So I've got some other things to bring over here, George.
Okay.
We have got cookies and cream brownie. Look at these cool glasses here. Take your straw out. Watch this. And it doesn't let it drip down. What I sometimes do even is just kind of like have a few more like drips.
Okay.
I've whizzed up some more biscuits here.
Yes.
Bosh it over like that.
No, you don't.
Look at that, I do.
Oh, wow. Oh my God, look at that.
You've gone overboard on that. That's okay though.
Wow.
So I just like going to put some of these.
That's what these are for.
Yeah.
It's a
They
face.
look good, don't they? It is a little face, isn't it? What we're going to do, we've got our little bit of brownie. But one of my biscuits has fallen off there. Let's fill up our jars with our milkshake.
Freak shake. You're right there.
No.
Hang on. Wait. Hang on a minute.
Okay, George.
Right. Oh my. It's a twist. It must be twist.
Yes. Lovely. I've got some dairy-free vegan squirty cream. Oh, little bit of this. So now, very carefully, we're going to get our little bit of brownie and just sit that.
A little bit of brownie
in there. There you go. Look at that. Oh, I love it.
Hang on. That's good.
Wow, look at that. They look so good, don't they?
Yeah. Can I try it now?
Yeah. Cheers. Well done.
Cheers. So good.
They are really good.
Need some cream.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. For more videos, check out the BBC Good Food YouTube channel. See you soon.